Oh, I had the experience of doing several trainings, and I knew when I watched you on YouTube many years ago. I thought, well, this spiritual aspect and this idiomotoric signals, that's kind of interesting. And I was already thinking, if you're able to connect to a wisdom, and
Yeah.
you could ask questions from the perspective of the wisdom, and the wisdom can answer the question, I think, wow, because we just don't know what we don't know. And that kind of blew my mind, but it kept on going on in my head. It was really interesting. And so the for me, the holistic part of doing therapy is doing nothing and just rely on something which actually knows what is best for me as a hypnotherapist, but also for the client.
Yes.
And that was kind of 180 degrees thinking different
Yeah.
as the trainings which I followed before, which I took before.